how to use Nimble CRM. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can use Nimble CRM. So firstly, I want you guys to simply come on to nimble.com. From over here, simply put in your email over here. And then after that, click on try Nimble for free. So I'll do that right now. So as soon as you guys put in your email and as soon as you guys click on this checkbox and press try Nimble for free, well then that's gonna take you guys to another web page. So just wait for a few seconds and then eventually you will go to another web page. So as soon as you guys have signed up, this is the first thing that you guys are gonna see. So over here it's gonna show you a very small basic guide, and you guys can basically go through this guide if you guys want to, or you guys can just simply skip this particular guide. So for me, I'm gonna skip this guide, and firstly I'll have to put in my first name, last name, my password, and then I'll hit save. And then after that, now from over here I can see a brief video which is gonna explain everything, or I can just simply install the mobile app, connect Office, invite team, import contacts, enable notifications, set up deals, and so much more. So for now, I'm not gonna do any of this. I'm just gonna show you everything. So on the left side, you guys can see all the things that you guys were supposed to get done today, and also you guys have your workflows, signal, messages, group messages, activities, and you guys can keep track of everything using these tools. So guys, that is how easy it is to use Nimble. Everything is laid out in front of you guys, so you guys don't actually need to go anywhere else to find anything more. So guys, that is how easy it is to use Nimble. And then from the bottom, you guys can change up tabs, and you guys can go into your workflows, you guys can go into your contact page, you guys can even set up everything about your contacts. You guys can also connect Microsoft, you guys can connect your Google Suite, and also IMAP as well if you guys want to. And you guys can also see your daily summary, your notifications, and everything else. And then of course you guys can upgrade Nimble whenever you want to if you guys want to get access to more premium features. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.